Welcome to BizControl, your ultimate business management partner. Today, we'll guide you through our updated Add Project feature. From your main dashboard, navigate to the My Project section. Here, you'll see your project categories. Tap on Flat and let's get started by selecting Add Project. First, bring your flat listing to life by uploading your primary images directly from your gallery. Next, let's fill in the essential details. Enter your project name, select your state and city, and provide the exact location coordinates. When entering the latitude and longitude, please pay special attention. Always enter the coordinates of the actual project site. Never use office, sales office, or any other location coordinates. Networks and dealers rely on this exact data for site visits, so accuracy must be 100%. You can also easily add video links like a YouTube showcase along with primary and secondary contact numbers to keep communication seamless. Make sure to include at least 2 helpline numbers here. This ensures that if a dealer or network partner wants to verify inventory or pricing before booking a unit, they can reach you directly without any hassle. Now let's set the pricing. Under the budget range, define the entry-level starting price of your project up to its maximum valuation. Remember, in the budget range, always enter the total amount of the unit. Do not enter per square foot, per yard, or per meter rates here. Specify the absolute value, such as 45 lakh rupees, 80 lakh rupees, or 1 crore rupees. Moving to the property information section, specify the property type as flat from the drop-down menu. Choosing the correct property segment is critical. For instance, if you are adding a villa, fill out only villa-related details, noting that the word institutional is specifically used within the Add Villa segment. If you are adding a plot, flat, shop, or office, enter details strictly according to that specific segment. Please recheck all segments carefully before submitting. You can then add specific details like the RERA number, safe storage capacity, RERA approval status, and financial options like bank loan availability. To ensure trust, upload the certified layout map of the property. Once you hit Next, your core property details are saved successfully. Now let's add the specific units available within the project. Enter the floor details and unit numbers, select the area measurement style, and input the size dimensions. Choose the flat type, such as 2 BHK or 3 BHK. In the last login price field, enter the final premium pricing tier offered to your standard channel partners. In the last discounted price field, specify the exclusive, lower rate reserved solely for the BizControl network. Please ensure this discounted price is set lower than your last login price, representing your most competitive network rate. Please note, both the last price and discounted last price must always be filled out as a rate base, such as per square foot, per square yard, or per square meter. Do not enter the total amount here. This helps the network understand your pricing structure clearly. To help dealers get a complete picture, define the exact dimensions, the facing direction, and any unique features under specialities such as park facing, road facing, or corner layouts. Keep your other charges and PLC as minimal as possible. Ideally, keep both other charges and PLC at 0. If an additional charge is absolutely necessary, only keep that specific one. The lower these charges are, the faster your project will sell across the network. Once you add a unit configuration, remember that you have a unit edit option. If you ever need to modify the price, inventory, area, status, or any other detail, you can easily use this option to update it instantly. Additionally, for tracking your inventory, units that are already booked can be marked in red to show a sold status. This makes available and sold inventory easy to distinguish. If needed, you can also use a fake red sold display to showcase high property demand to viewers. You can seamlessly add multiple units across different floors under the same project to keep everything organized. Finally, let's set up the financial structure. Click on Add Plan to create customized payment models like Plan A. Break down the required percentages across milestone timelines to suit your business needs, such as at the time of booking, within a month, or at the time of offer of possession. Once your payment plans are saved, your new project is fully created and instantly viewable and live under your Flat tab. Streamline your listings and empower your business. Download BizControl today, available on the App Store and Google Play Store.